Om Shivaya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namaha. Anant Kodi Namaskaram Sarva Satakos. Kodan Kodi Pranam Sarva Saitanyos. Satakodi Namaste Sarva Sasho. Oh, my humble salutation to entire students. Today also we attend one or two questions and directly we got to the normal session. They were asking, this is not the online question, but they were asking regarding, can you explain the numbers again? We are unable to grab it. The last time we have explained something, we are unable to grab it. Actually, original number is 0. Original number is 0. When the count begins, move begins when the count begins. The sun moves around the earth from time immemorially, so the numbers +1, +1, +1, +1 is moves to infinity. When we are in mother's womb, we are in 0. Breathing 0, heartbeat 0. When you come out, breathing begins, heartbeat begins. So in our life, the deciding main factor is breathing as well as the heartbeats. That is the prime time calculation, or when the prime time begins. The numbers begins, heartbeat begins, breathing begins, and +1 heartbeat, +2, +3, then it starts. Similarly, breathing occurrences, heartbeat occurrences. Okay, you can simply understand, no? As a practical issue. Okay. Similarly, the numbers calculated carefully from the outer space. I will come back again those matters later on. The Purnam is 0. This is the only Purnam. Not any of the numbers is not called as Purnam. Only 0. Purnam is 0. 0 is Purnam. That is perfection. That is totality. That is the natural format of Earth, Sun, stars, galaxies, Milky Ways, nebulas, and the universes. Okay, now we will come back to the normal session. This is my great master, one of my great master, Kanchi Paramacharya, Chandrasekhar Intra Saraswati, and he has seen me at the age of 12 or 9 or 18. I can't remember it now. I had to go through my database files, and later on. 19 plus, 20 plus, I met him first with my knowledge, and he has one of my great guidance. Okay, we'll come back to the normal session. He only initiated me and advised me and guided me to bring out the original Vedas. That is why I have named as Smriti Veda Stuti. We are having only the maximalist Veda, but you have to bring the original Veda out. That's why I have very carefully go through all the matters and great guiders from the Rishis, Parama Rishis, Mahapurushas, Yogis, great Siddha Purushas, and I got advices. And then I was in search of Pandini Acharya Saraswati, and then all sort of matters. Then at the same time, Smriti Veda Sruti, that is the original Veda, it comes out little by little, unwritten Veda. So almost 5,750 stanzas I have already launched. Anyway, I will continue that also. Okay, well now we come back to the normal session. Okay. Om Vadubam Vayalam Vabujam Gadayam Bachuyam Dahayam Dadumam Danujam Bamuham Mudayam Sukaram Sudoham Judoyam Sadom Panini Kailash Padipade Arpidam. I'll repeat the stanzas. Vadubam Valayam Vabujam Gadayam Bajuyam Dagayam Dadumam Danujam Bamuham Mudayam Sukaram Sudoham Judoyam Sadom Panini Kailash Padipade Arpidam. Now we come back to the particular commentary, the particular stanza and the live translation. Is thy divine fields, is thy fields, interfields of divinity, that shrines, sanctum and sanctoriums, it defenses, shields, cows, guards, A to Z. Shrines in holiest ash of divinity, which is thy passport to enter into the sacred, the holiest, the divine land, or the land of divinity, that originates with entire of needs, essential comforts, structures as thy face, overtly with total compassion, which bestows perfect breathing and cleanest together with the well-balanced heartbeats. Functions from endless yugas together with me, who I am Panini Acharya Saraswati, offers Sanskrit to Kailash Patipate divinity. Again, I'll repeat the commentary and the translation. Is the entry fields of divinity or divine fields, that shrines, sanctum and sanctoriums, defenses, shields, covers, guards, it that on earth, in space, shines in holiest ash of divinity, which is thy passport to enter into the land of divinity, that formats, originates with entire of needs of essential needs of entire needs of entire essentials of entire comforts, structures as thy face, overtly with total compassion, which bestows perfect breathing with cleanliness air, together with well balanced heartbeats, functions from endless yugas together with me, who I am Panini Acharya Saraswati of Sanskrit to Kailash Patipati. Om Namah Shivaya Shivaya Namo. Om Namah Shivaya Shivaya Namo. Om Namah Shivaya Shivaya Namo.